Welcome to Flex GUI. In this video we're going to show you how to import a Python module and connect it to the UI object. So let's get started. So we're going to go over the documents, go to the miscellaneous section and go to import Python. We'll have to add the Flex section in the INI file and use the import in the module name without the py extension. So we'll do that now. There you go. Now the file has to be testpy.py and it has to be in your configuration directory. So we'll create that now. Testpy.py. And open that up. Now we'll go back to the documents. Now you have to have a startup, and the parent is passed to the startups, which allows you to make connections to the objects from the parent. So we'll copy and paste that. Now, unfortunately, the copying from the documents, you get a whole bunch of spaces. So we've got to sort that out because we want tabs is easier to see. A single tab. Oops, we lost a line. Let's go back and get it. Alright, wrong. Here we go. Now that second one, you see we pass parent to it using the partial function. So we're going first thing we're going to create a push button called my test push button. You got to be careful, make sure you name things properly. Also the module name needs to be unique. It can't be anything that's a Python function or module. We've got enough stuff in there to lay that out in the grid. So first one, push button. We'll give it a name. And copy the object name that we told it we wanted to use. And the another one. Paste the object name, change the text, save it. Now we're going to change the properties of the shortcut to be application in a terminal. That way we can see the terminal printout. We'll move it out the way. Now you can see when I press the test push button, it executed that code in test 1, which is print test 1. Now, get that back. Press the other one, you can see it executed the code in the other function. And it also got the name, text of the push button. So we made that connection. So, it's just that easy.